What's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. And in this video, we're going to talk about the Snapchat settlement for people who live in Illinois for utilizing their biometric features without their permission. I'm going to tell you how this was done. And let's see. And also, hey, a similar class action lawsuit uh, is about to be done in Illinois also from Facebook. They were utilizing the same thing, and it's close to $400 for each individual. So we're talking about some substantial money. And when I was adding up what was potential for Snapchat for the state of Illinois, it could potentially be like $4,000 or $5,000 because they don't have as many users per state as Facebook has. So here, this is what it's all about here. It says, calling all Snapchat users in Illinois, you might be eligible to file a claim as part of a settlement in a class action lawsuit worth millions. And while the settlement still needs to go through final court approval, the clock to get in is on the potential payout is ticking. According to the settlement website, the social network is accused of violating Illinois Biometric Information Privacy Act by illegally collecting users' biometric information like unique facial features through its use of features like lens and filters without their consent. It was filed in May, and they're settling this quick. It was filed in May in the U.S. District Court of Northern Illinois. At the center of the allegations is Snapchat Lenses feature, which allows users to take a snap and then select a particular lens and modify their facial features with special effects according to court documents. The lawsuit claims lens involves the use of technology to create a face scan and create, obtaining, and storing a user's unique biometric identifiers. This feature obtained the plaintiffs, which is all of the users, biometric information without obtaining information written consent each time it scanned their face. So they're saying each time, every time that they did it, it was a violation of the Illinois, um, what was it, the Illinois Biometric Information Privacy Act. Illinois, let's see here, Illinois Biometric Privacy Act prohibits private sector companies and institutions from collecting biometric data from unsuspecting citizens in the state or online, no matter where the business is based. Data cannot be sold, transferred, or traded. Unlike other states, citizens can sue for alleged violations, which has sparked hundreds of David and Goliath legal battles against some of the world's most powerful companies. If a company is found to be in violated law, Illinois law, citizens can collect civil penalties of up to $5,000 per violation, compounded by the number of people affected and days involved. No state regulatory agency is involved in the enforcement. So that means that there's no agency that would like say, okay, you have this feature on Snapchat, you had this feature on Instagram, you had this feature on Facebook or TikTok. You can't be using that without getting having each time that it's done getting the consent of your. Okay, so now let's look at the settlement website. I'm going to put the link below this video. It is Snap Illinois BIPA settlement.com. Snap Illinois BIPA settlement.com, and I'm going to put the link below this video so you can check that out. You can read. It says how you can submit a claim, important documents. So you'll be able to see everything there. All right, I'm going to end the video here. Please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the notification bell so you will be notified of new videos. I want to get my numbers up on people watching the videos. I know this information is good because I see your comments. A lot of people need this help, and this is what you don't know. This is what you don't know, and I'm not like trying to say that you just need to do this, but this is you do need to need to know this. If I can, the more people that I can help, the better off people are going to be, and better off you're going to be. If you know, one of my videos is probably going to hit on the subject that is tearing you up with your credit and debt. But the way that everything is set here on YouTube is that I need you to just hit the notification bell, and when a video comes up, a new one, just click it, and if it's something that interests you, fine. If it's not, you can move on to something else. But it will help us be able to reach more people. I know that there's more people that need our help. I mean, I'm getting emails and stuff crazy, and it would be able to, by them watching the videos, they would be able to get that help so they can not have that frustration and that anxiety inside of them. All right, so if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes it different. So you can see my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. That's the way that we repair credit. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website, your3scores.com. Grab those reports, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian reports, all 3 scores. We also have a FICO link that's below here too. If you want to see what the credit card companies see, mortgage, auto, and insurance, you get to get that FICO score. And then if you have debt collectors coming after you, grab my 3-pack of letters: cease and desist, collection activities letter, statute of limitation for debt that they can't even come after you for, and the debt validation so you can have the back and forth. They're free below here. I do ask for a donation. I think it's worth it because it could save you money, time, frustration. Just think, if you have a debt coming after you for even $500 and this letter stops them, I'm not saying that that letter should be worth $500 to you, because then you could have just paid the debt, but it could be worth a couple of dollars on the donation. That's up to you. That's what's on your heart. Um, so thank you for your time. Subscribe, post your questions and comments. Got a little bit of a cold, but I'm just pushing through it. Thank you. Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.